Hey y'all, today we're making iron skillet stewed potatoes with sweet onion and andouille. So let's get started. First, we start by slicing some russet potatoes that we've rinsed and scrubbed. You can use either a knife or a mandolin to cut your potatoes, but the trick to these quick and delicious potatoes is to make sure that they're all the same thickness, usually between 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch thick. They cook quickly at that thickness, and you can also leave the skins on russet potatoes when they cut this thin. Then you want to soak them in cold water for 8 to 10 minutes so that the starch leaches out of them. What you don't want are those gummy potatoes that stick together. Next, heat your iron skillet over medium flame and brown your sliced andouille just until the fat renders and they get just the tiniest bit of crisp around the edges. Now don't forget these sausage discs are cut the same thickness as the potatoes, between 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch. You could cut them a bit thicker if you wanted. Just remember you need to cook them a bit longer. Now, right before you take the andouille out of the skillet, dry off the potatoes front and back with some paper towels. Just blot them. You want them to be damp so the seasoning will stick. We season with a bit of Mrs. Clotilde certified Creole seasoning, some table salt, and a combination of Herbs de Provence and some cracked black pepper. Ground black pepper will work, but for best results, use the cracked pepper. Herbs de Provence is an aromatic mixture of dried herbs and spices commonly used in French Creole cooking. The spices traditionally include thyme, basil, rosemary, tarragon, some savory, marjoram, oregano, bay leaf, and lavender. And then you want to toss them real good. Add a couple pats of butter to the andouille fat. When the butter foams, add your potatoes and allow them to brown a bit on both sides. Some of the edges might get crispy, but that's okay. As always, ingredients, measurements, and links to seasonings are in the description box. Add some rings of sweet onions that's been cut the same thickness as the potatoes. Add the sausage back to the skillet. And then add a bit of water to make the gravy. You want to carefully mix everything together. Cover and allow to stew for about 8 to 10 minutes until the onions are wilted, the potatoes are soft but not falling apart, and the flavors have melded. And there you have it. Iron skillet stewed potatoes with sweet onion and andouille. Give them a try. You'll love them. I guarantee. And remember, when you mix a little bit of Creole with a little bit of Cajun, that's good eating. See y'all next time.